everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to turn off the art gallery on the No Signal screen on your LG TV. So if you just want to see like a traditional black screen and it not moving around or anything like that, just press the mute button 3 times really quick. So let's just continue to press this, the mute button. And this little side menu will pop up where we have a couple different options, but we can just go to No Signal Image and select this. And it's just going to be a traditional black screen right now. It's going to be easier on your eyes, I think. But you can decide if you want that on or off. But it's really easy to tell if there's no signal, if it's a black screen. But then we have other options like show LG logo when turning off the TV. Screensaver, we can turn this off. If you turn off the screensaver, the same image remains on the screen for more than 2 hours. It can affect the image quality of your screen. Okay, so just go through here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.